What case? Phone case? What case?
No, this case off my lap.
Oh, what the heck? I ain't got enough video, man. I'm at 3 minutes, man. Gotta make something happen.
Thank you.
Oh shoot, we got the wrong thing. What we have to get in?
It said aircraft disconnected.
It's not turned on. Turn it on. You know it turns on because this light turns on red. Light right here.
So one press,
That ain't on.
one long press.
There you go. Now it's
There we
on.
go.
Whoa.
Two hands. I have one hand.
Woo! Somebody leave.
Yeah, now let's quiz. We take this quiz or just skip it for now?
Skip it, man. Skip it. We got a job. We're paying for a job.
Okay. X.
Yep.
Fixed wing mode, all new flight mode, okay. Or don't show again, okay.
Okay, you didn't read it all, but okay.
Okay, fixed wing mode and all new flight mode. Simulate a fixed wing aircraft. Fixed wing mode lets you fly at a constant speed while making coordinated turns with your controller. Fly with cruise control and experience the thrill of fixed wing flight.
Alright, okay, sounds good.
We'll put okay, that way we can review it again in the future.
Cool.
Okay, so let me get out the car so I can see the aircraft. Okay, so what exactly are we wanting pictures of today?
We would like pictures of the location that's going to be demoed. We would like pictures to show the progress of the project currently for our meeting this Thursday.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Take off.